In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a guest a presenter in Microsoft Teams. This is a really useful skill if you're running online meetings or classes and you want to give someone else control to share their screen, present slides, or manage parts of the meeting, even if they're just joining as a guest. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, make sure you're already in a Microsoft Teams meeting with the guest who you want to make a presenter. They need to be connected to the call before you can change their role. Once you're in the meeting window, move your mouse so the toolbar appears and look for the people icon. This is usually shown as a small icon of two people or a single person with a number next to it, and it opens the participant list. Go ahead and click on people to see everyone who's currently in the meeting. When the participant panel opens, you'll see a list of all attendees, including guests. Find the name of the guest you want to promote to presenter. If there are many participants, you might need to scroll through the list, so take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct person. Next, move your mouse over that guest name. You should see 3 small dots appear next to their name, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on these 3 dots. This menu is where Teams hides additional controls relating to that participant, including options for changing their role in the meeting. After you click the 3 dots, a small menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see an option that says Make a Presenter. Select this option. When you click it, Teams will change that person's role from attendee to presenter. Once the change is applied, your guest will have presenter permissions. That means they'll now be able to share their screen, present a PowerPoint, and use other presenter tools depending on the meeting policies set by your organization. It's a good idea to let them know verbally that they are now a presenter and maybe give them a moment to get their content ready before they start sharing. If at any point you need to change them back to an attendee, you can return to the same 3-dot menu next to their name and look for the option to adjust their role again. And that's all there is to it. By opening